Today we're going to make Sunday dinner. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Short rib of beef with apricot bourbon glaze. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Fresh grated ginger, apple cider vinegar. I'm having this cup here. Black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Apricot Preserves, sweet chili sauce, Dijon mustard, red pepper flake, bourbon, Worcestershire sauce, and of course, a short rib of beef. Okay, let's move to the first step. We take the seasoning and we sprinkle it over the short rib of beef. Then I'm going to massage it. Okay, wash my hands. Now I have a cast iron Dutch oven here, and we're going to turn the heat on medium high. I have a tablespoon of oil in here, and we're going to let the oil heat up. Now that the oil has heated up, we're going to add the beef to the pot and let it sear on each side. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. After it's seared on each side, we're going to pop this in the oven. Now let's flip them over to the next side. And we'll sear them on that side. Now let's make the apricot bourbon glaze. I have a sauce pot here, and we are going to add the apricot, the brown sugar, the apple cider vinegar, the sweet chili sauce, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Some red pepper flakes, the ginger, the Dijon mustard, and the bourbon. Now we're going to turn the stove on medium-low, and we're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes. I've taken it out of the oven, the short rib, and I forgot to let y'all know that I had my oven set to 375, and you're going to bake this for 2 hours. After the first hour of baking, you take it out the oven, and then you baste it in the apricot bourbon glaze. Now, I'm going to mix everything up together. Now I'm going to cover it back up and put it in the oven and let it bake for another hour. Here you have it. Short ribs of beef with apricot bourbon glaze. Enjoy. I'm serving this with yellow rice and roasted vegetable. My roasted vegetable are zucchini, carrots, onion, yellow squash, and broccoli. You can serve this short rib dish with any sides you like. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.